Welcome to Cool Tools. I'm Holly Magnuson.
And I'm Dante Cordova, and welcome to our show where we talk about cool tools, tips, tricks, whatever.
You name it. We're likely to talk about it.
We're going to cover it, yes. So did you guys check out the new welcome screen that we had in this video?
Hope so, because we're really excited about it. Some of you may remember that back in the spring, we encouraged you to turn in a new logo for the Cool Tools using canva.com. And this is, we had a lot of picks.
We did. We had some really good entries to choose from, and it was really hard to pick a winner.
Yeah, so we reached out to some of the fans and said, hey, help us pick the winner.
We have fans?
We have fans.
All right.
And this is what they picked for us.
Check it out. Check it out. So a big shout out to Sabrina Castro for the winning design.
Yes, Sabrina was one of our student workers. Unfortunately, she is moving on to bigger and better things, a different job, fitting more into her career goals. So, yeah.
I'll allow it.
We'll allow it, but we're going to miss her.
We're going to miss her for sure. But thanks for getting that really cool design to us. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Sabrina. So, Dante, you ready to talk about today's tool?
I believe I am. So, today we're talking about Google Drive file stream, basically. Yes.
So many of you may have seen a message over the last few months saying that Google Drive was going away. It was very confusing. So Dante is going to explain to us what that Google Drive was really referring to.
So the Google Drive application or client that was installed on your computer, that was the old Google Drive way for you to sync files back and forth to your Google Drive account and also have them on your local computer. So that's what that was. Google got rid of that and it replaced it with a thing called Google File Stream. Now Google File Stream is basically Netflix, but for your files instead, not just movies. And it works kind of the same way. So the idea is that you have access, like Netflix, to the entire library of stuff or all of your stuff on Google Drive, but you don't actually have it on your computer. That way you don't fill up your computer full of gigs and gigs and gigs and gigs of data. You just have access to all of it. So as soon as you want something, you double click on it, it streams it to your computer really quick so that you can then work on it. And once you're done with it, it automatically syncs back up.
It's really great for those of you who still like to use your Microsoft Office files, but like the idea of having them backed up in the cloud. It's seamless.
Yes. And for those of you that think, oh, well, I'm not connected to the internet all the time. Oh, I'm working on the beach.
Yeah.
Well, what you can do is you can actually pin some of those files to keep them locally too. So it'll keep a local copy and a synced up copy. So if you wanted to work offline or at the beach, you could.
Working at the beach sounds like a beautiful idea.
Yes.
Now, another thing that kind of happened that confused people was basically the same time they introduced Google Drive File Stream, they also introduced another product called Backup and Sync. And this created a lot of confusion for people.
Yeah, it created a lot of confusion, unfortunately. And it's basically the personal version of Google Drive File Stream. So you have, as an APU member, you have access to both. The Backup and Sync program does exactly what it says. It'll back up your computer or computers, and it'll sync files the way the old client did, the same exact way. You sync whatever is on your Google Drive will sync back down to your computer, all of it, or just maybe certain folders that you decide to choose, and then whatever you put inside your Google Drive folder will go all the way up to Google. So you can kind of have that old functionality back if you so choose. We recommend Google Drive File Stream, give it a try, but if for whatever reason it's just not working out for you, go ahead and use Backup and Sync.
And actually, coming up here is a chart that's going to show you the differences between Google Drive File Stream and Backup and Sync. And one of the key pieces that's missing for Backup and Sync is the ability to access team drives, which we're going to be talking about more about team drives very, very soon.
Yes. Because of the ability to access Team Drive, we do encourage people to utilize Google Drive File Stream.
So here's a quick video to show you how to set up and install Google File Stream. It's pretty easy, but just in case.
Check it out.
Okay, so here I am in my Google Drive, and that's the best place to go to install File Stream. Come up here to the settings wheel, click on that, go to download File Stream. I'm on a Windows machine, so it says Windows, but when I get to the web page, I'll notice that both Windows and Mac are available. You'll notice here this uninstall Google Drive for Mac PC button. If you've installed the old version of the Google Drive sync tool, you'll want to uninstall it first before reinstalling it. And then once you've uninstalled it, you'll select the one here that meets your computer. Follow the instructions. They're pretty straightforward. Once it's installed, and it may take a few seconds to synchronize, you can click on your File Explorer or Finder on the Mac, and you'll have a new drive. Here on Windows, it's a G drive. On the Mac, you're going to see the Google Drive file stream. And when you open it up, you're going to see My Drive. If you have access to Team Drives, you'll see that. And then once again, you open it up, and it's going to be the same file structure as I saw when I was on the web browser. We mentioned how you can pin certain documents to your computer so that they're available when you're offline. So for example, if I come here to this Microsoft Word, or excuse me, Microsoft Excel document, I can right mouse button click on it. And one of my options is Drive File Stream, and I can say available offline. So then it'll be available and I can work on it, and then the next time I'm connected to the internet, it will automatically synchronize to File Stream. So if you have any questions, any problems when you install File Stream, please reach out to our support desk.
Thanks, Holly, for that awesome demo. For the APU community, if you guys have any questions of which tool is best for you, or if you have questions on how to install Drive File Stream, please contact the IMT support desk.
Well, that does it for this episode of Cool Tools. We are very excited about Drive File Stream, and we hope you like it too. So until next time.
Until next time, sorry for the long video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.